Then it comes again as terrible tearing headaches, described as a crazy headache in the forehead, headache in which there is confusion of mind or as if the mind would go crazy. So these are the mind and head symptoms of Prater Tiglinum. Now, abdominal symptoms. The abdomen, stool, urine, and sexual organs are involved. The whole abdominal viscera seems to be dragging down from the stomach. The patient wants to hold up the abdomen and pedunculus abdomen. It seems as if the pelvic organs would protrude. The patient must lie, wants to wear T bandage, wants to wear a T bandage, wants to grasp the abdomen from sides and lift up for support. It is a sensation of weakness or bearing down in the pelvis as if everything were coming into the world through the vagina. So all the organs she feels. So bearing down sense. All the organs coming into the world through the vagina. This remedy has a very urgent diarrhea. So this remedy has a very urgent diarrhea. Driving out of the bed in the morning, he must make great waste, and sometimes you may mistaken or confused with sulfur. Sulfur also same thing. So in the early morning, driving up out of the bed and very urgent diarrhea in sulfur also. But sulfur confused with because lilium technum has great heat in the head. So sulfur and lilium technum. So both are having early morning urgency or urgent diarrhea, drying out of the bed in the morning. And so here in lilium tignum has great heat in the head, emptiness in the stomach, and great burning of palms and soles. So this is the difference between the lilium tigrinum and sulfur. It has also dysentery that you will hardly be able to distinguish from Mercar. So marked tenesmus. Here, so marked tenesmus, and also there is mucus and blood is present. Here, mucus mingled with blood and tenesmus is a great, and the burning in the anus is marked as in Mercar. It is especially suited those attacks of dysentery that comes on the occasional chronic manifestations in the nervous patients. So in Mercar and Lilium tigrinum, only one difference is nervous patients, chronic manifestations in nervous patients. Recurrent dysenteric attacks with every cold in those who suffer from pelvic and abdominal relaxation, mental irritability, and palpitation, and fluttering of the heart with nervous constitution. So, in dysentery, Mercar having the tenesmus and mucus and blood is present. but these nervous symptoms are not present in the car. So, in ileum trigonum, recurrent dysentery attacks and suffer from pelvic and abdominal relaxation, mental irritability, palpitation, and fluttering of the heart. So, with nervous constitutions. But all these are not present in the Merck car. So, by that we can differentiate the ileum trigonum dysentery and Merck car dysentery. So, this is the guiding symptom for the dysentery. So, all of these dysenteric manifestations have been left out the guiding symptoms in the ileum trigonum. It has also a tenesmus of the bladder and the rectum, teasing to urinate as well as urging to stool, sit a long time with much urging, and after long straining, there is no stool. There is no stool. Okay, with much urging and after long straining, there is no stool. Frequent urging with sensation as if a ball were in the rectum. When the fundus of the uterus is turned back to the rectum, it gives a sensation as if rectum were full of fecus. Due to the turning back of the rectum, so it gives sensation over the rectum. This is the feeling of a rectum with full of fecus, and also it will irritate the rectum, which brings an urging to stool, and the patient will sit and strains, but there is no stool, and the tenesmus of the bladder and rectum is unbearable, constant urging to stool, and no stool in the rectum due to the irritation created by the uterus. Why? Because the uterus turn backs and fall on the rectum. So this patient having the sensation of the ball in the rectum. Even though there is no stool due to irritation, frequent urging for the stool. The bowels become regular. The disturbance of micturition is relieved and patient gradually returns to health, and later the uterus will be found in the place. So after replace the uterus in the normal place, all the symptoms may be disappear. For the replacement of the uterus also, you can give this remedy. And pressure in the rectum with almost constant desire to go to stool, and also you can give the hemorrhoids. For the hemorrhoids after delivery, sore to touch, bearing down after stool as if all were all would protrude from the vagina, and paralytic relaxation is present in all the abdominal tissues. So due to paralysis, there is the relaxation, and here you can see the menses scanty, flow only when moving about, and here you can think about pulsatilla, the menses being so scanty, and because of the pulsatilla, patient is similar nervous symptom temperament, Palstilla also has scanty menstruation and relief in open age. It has also much dragging down in the pelvis, though not so extreme as a rule in this medicine. So there is a difference between the both are having same symptoms regarding menstruation, scanty and nervous temperament. Everything is present. In Palstilla also, the patient is relieved from the open air. In ileum trichinomen also, having relaxation or relief from in the open air. But only the difference is the extremeness of the symptoms. Extremeness of the symptoms. More extreme in the ileum trichinomen. So in the Palstilla, the patient is very mild, but there is much in this medicine quite different from Palstilla by this difference. So in ileum trichinomen is the most emotional and symptoms are extreme and she is hysterical, but in the Palstilla the patient is very mild. Now let us see the heart symptoms. As if heart were grasped or squeezed in a vice, hard as if violently grasped, and constrictive pain in the heart, in the fresh air, in fresh air, chilly and but vertigo is ameliorated in the fresh air. Pain in the back and down the spine, irritable and sensitive spine with trembling. It if you compare with platinum, it is very platinum. It is very close. So so the difference between the Lilium trichinium and the Palstilla. So the everything is excitement present in the Lilium trichinium and very mild in the Palstilla. So all the symptoms are alternative: mental symptoms, physical symptoms, uterine symptoms, and other abdominal symptoms. So this is about Lilium tigrinum.